Hey everyone, it's Maria. I am back today for LDRS Creative. I'm going to share with you my process video of this cute card showcasing some stamps from the shop. The first thing that you see here is the mountains stamp set. Also going to use the At the Clouds edge die, the Up and Away stamp set with the coordinating dies, the Thank You stamp set, and also the Anytime Stack stamp set. This stamp set is now one of my favorites because you can stamp it in one go and have a bunch of sentiments and use the coordinating die to die cut everything, and then you can keep the leftovers in the sleeve so that you can use it for your future project. So I have been feeling anxious lately because of the lockdown, and of course my husband and I can't travel anywhere, so I've been feeling anxious, and the one thing that actually calms me down is to do some coloring. So don't worry, this is not going to be a long video, but this is mostly going to be speed coloring so that you can see my process of making this card. So I'm just going to put some music on and I'll be right back when the coloring is done. I used the At the Clouds Edge border die to die cut the clouds twice, but then I colored the one at the bottom with the same alcohol markers that I used to color the grass hill, so that I can create some dimension between the colored images and then the grassy hill. So this is my card for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. I would like to know how you're dealing with your anxiety these days, because it's been really tough for me, and it would really be nice to know that I'm not alone. So I would like to know how you're dealing with this lockdown issue. So everything will be listed in the description box below for the supplies that I used today. I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for stopping by today. Have an amazing day and happy crafting!